In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to concatenate text in Google Sheets, specifically combining a text string with a date. This is a useful skill to enhance the way you present data, allowing for more dynamic and personalized reports. Let's dive in and go through the steps to make this happen. First, you'll want to have your Google Sheet open. If you haven't already, log into your Google account and navigate to the Google Sheets homepage. From there, you can either open an existing sheet or create a new one. Once your spreadsheet is open, ensure that you have two columns ready, one for the date and one for the text you want to concatenate. Make sure your data is well organized to avoid any confusion later. Now find the cell where you want your combined result to appear and click on it to select it. This will be the destination cell where the concatenated text and date will be displayed. Choosing the right location will help keep your spreadsheet orderly and easy to read. Once you've selected your cell, it's time to input the formula. Start by typing an equal sign. Next up is the text function, which allows you to control the format of your date. Type text, and follow this with the cell reference for your date. For this example, if your date is in cell A2, you would type A2. Then, enter a comma and add double quotation marks around the date format MMMDD YI. This determines how the date will be displayed. After closing the text function with a parenthesis, you need to concatenate it with the text. To do this, type AN, followed by double quotes containing a space, then another AN. Finally, type B2, assuming this is the cell containing your text. Make sure to check that everything is typed correctly. Errors often occur from small typos, especially with quotes and ampersands, so double-check everything. Once everything is entered correctly in your formula bar, press the Enter key. Your selected cell will now display the combined result of your text and formatted date. This method not only brings clarity, but also adds a professional touch to your data presentation. If you encounter any issues, it's good to revisit the formula, ensuring all components are correctly entered. Sometimes, reformatting your sheet or checking for any text errors can solve unexpected problems. And there you have it. You've successfully combined a text string with a date in Google Sheets. Feel free to play around with different date formats and text strings to see how they look. This tool can be incredibly handy for creating comprehensive reports or when you need to personalize your data presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this session has been helpful.